Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Surprise Psycho Bomb After Neighbors Secretly Call 911 by Police Release.
Shut up! You don't know nothing like I said! My daddy don't know nothing! He knows nothing!
On May 12th, 2024, officers responded to a residence following reports of
I can't cap. That just reminded me of the Grinch when he was trying to throw a little fit. He's going like,
disturbance.
And for Greenville, it's one child on the porch, about 45 years old. Mother and child are still on the porch, and the mother said to be beating the child.
Okay, yeah, let's go. She keeps beating. And so we get closer to the house. Let's turn off our lights and sirens so mom doesn't hear and then hide from us. You know, because I would rather catch mom outside the house. Well, on the right side of the street.
Like we're turning right?
No, at the intersection, we're going to turn left.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot of grass to cut. Dang. Why the baby ain't got no shoes on? And he got on socks.
I've been showing up for my friends, but she has not shown up.
So you're babysitting the kids?
At this point.
Yeah.
You're the only adult here right now?
Oh! I'm so mad. I'm like, you know what?
What are you upset over right now?
I'm just like, just don't say you're going to do that, and you're not going to do that.
So you're upset that your friend didn't come up?
This is her residence. I'm not a weirdo. Like, I'm not just going, I'm mad. My lives in.
Do you want to try calling her, see where she's at?
Her sugar daddy was about to break off something real good, and this person messed it up.
I'm mad. I'm not gonna mad. I'm livid.
So, what can we do to help the situation? You know, because we want to help you. How are you guys doing? Is mom at work right now?
Oh, that's not the mom. Oh, shit.
How are you guys doing today? You guys good? Yeah. What happened, buddy? Were you guys crying? What can we help you with?
I just want to.
Crash on her butt.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Hey, Morgan, can we call their mom?
Yes.
She like, please don't touch me.
What are you sorry for?
I'm so mad. They're autistic. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My kids are like autistic.
They're both autistic, you say? Yeah. Do you want
I feel for her on that one. That could be a lot. And to deal with two of them, shit, she might be, you know?
Or is this a special
Every
situation?
day, like, these are my kids.
You said these are your kids?
These are my babies. I'm sorry.
Are you having a rough patch right now? Is there a grandma we can call?
I feel like my daddy was with me right now.
But who else is around that we can call for you?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. No. So sorry.
Morgan, where's your phone here? Let's look at a phone number.
I don't trust people. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, I don't really trust you around with them right now because your mental state, you're very agitated, you know. So I'm like worried about your kids. So I'm hoping we can get someone. Yeah, so let's call someone to help you with your situation.
I'm
with your
okay
kids.
though.
I don't think you are. I can smell the alcohol on you. I see your
Alcohol. You got, oh, no.
behavior. Let's get someone over here to help you with the kids. At least give you a break, a mental break, so you can decompress. It seems like you're wound up
I
really
don't
tight right
like
now.
it. Like what's been, but I'm okay.
Yeah, because the neighbor said they saw you throwing your kids up against the wall. So,
Whoa. Who did that?
the neighbors across the street. Yeah, so
Can you bring them over here?
She about to find out. Don't tell her what neighbor it was. I'm pretty sure she know, though.
no, we're not gonna bring
Can you
anyone
bring
over
them
here.
over here? Oh,
No, so that's why I'm
No,
asking
can
if you
you
can call
bring them?
someone. No, why don't we call someone first?
Who
Can we
did
call
that?
someone? You did, from what they said.
I did not. I can never. Come on.
Yeah, so is there a phone number we can call? Have someone come up here? Morgan? Morgan, I need you to work with us so we can help your situation. Yes. Okay, so let's get someone else involved here.
I don't like that. Okay, I see what's going on.
Tell me what's going on, because I don't.
Either
No, you
sandwiches or
tell me
toast
what's
every
going on.
day.
We were called here because of the disturbance that's going on between you and your kids. So I'm trying to help this.
I don't even have. I stay in Ravenna. I stay in Ravenna. I don't stay here, and that's why I'm lit right now. That's why I'm like, That's why I'm like,
Because you say
why is she
Ravenna?
so?
You're upset
I'm
because you say
on
Ravenna?
ass right now. I'm on ass right now. My baby here. Oh.
I think she might be a little, you know what, too.
This is my.
Yeah, Morgan, you need to articulate with your words, because I'm not.
Yo, no, you need to. Yo, no, you need to. This woman right here, her woman is woman. She is my curate person. I don't know what you're not getting.
I'm not getting why you're
What are
not
you not
giving
getting?
us a phone number so we can call.
I'm a little lost right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not finna crack jokes, but the elevator don't go all the way to the top floor on this one for sure.
someone
Okay,
to
let's do
intervene
that. Let's
in
do
your
that.
Situation. So where's your phone number?
Shoot.
Your phone looks like it's right over here on the.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Morgan, you're not being very nice. We're being very
No,
respectful.
I'm
with you.
trying to-
By
I'm trying to-
calling him a
I'm trying to
bitch.
be
That's not nice.
Reserved, and he's not. Oh,
Look,
you go ahead.
we
You
come
go ahead.
here. We come
No,
here
you
as
go ahead.
friends.
But you go ahead. But you go ahead.
Listen, you and I are friends. Whether
I'm
you like it or
trying
not.
to be.
We are friends.
I'm
okay?
trying to be.
Okay,
so
friends
you
don't
go
call
ahead.
each other bitches. Okay, that's not a friendly thing to do.
What the you not, Morgan?
Please, Morgan.
Morgan,
Work with
I know
me.
what my name is.
Yes.
Don't
Okay,
do
so I
that.
just want.
I'm talking about. I'm talking about.
Here, let's call someone, please.
It's not. I'm trying to help my friend, and I'm also trying to help my.
Is this your daughter? What's your daughter's name?
This is my. Oh my God! I want to call my dad right now. Like, oh my God.
But you can't because he's dead, right? That I ain't gonna lie. That right there is that sucks because the person that you knew you could just get some love, some confidence from, some help, some encouraging words. When they gone, that's like the worst feeling in the fucking world, bro.
I'm trying to be cool. And my daddy literally was like, Morgan, this. Oh my God. I'm gonna
Oh no, he alive? Oh wait. She acting like he. Oh my
talk
God.
to you guys from the car so that it's not obvious. Did you guys call us? Did any of you guys call us? I'm parking here to make it not look like I'm involving you.
But yeah, we saw. We were out here looking.
Can you tell me what happened?
The only thing that I saw was that like she was out there yelling at the little boy. Like somebody said that she threw the little girl down, but she was definitely yelling at the little boy. Like, what the F are you talking about? Shut the F up! Like pulling him and stuff.
And I think
so.
she locked him out. She locked him out. She was abusing the
Oh, hold on, one at a time, so I can make sure I can hear. You go first, sweetheart. You were going.
She had pushed her daughter to the stairs.
Like down the stairs or in onto the stairs?
Up the stairs. Like she pushed
Oh,
her up the
okay.
stairs.
Damn.
She pushed her head in the door.
Like hit her head into the door?
Oh, she got witnesses saying this shit. Yeah, she need to go to jail.
It looked she was cussing and yelling at her in her face. Like they were.
What's do you know what side of the head she would have hit the door on?
Maybe the front.
Like right in the front?
Yeah, she did this. She pushed her. No, but she didn't push the daughter into the door. She pushed the son with the green pants.
Son with the green pants into the door? Okay.
And then she locked them out and they were banging.
Okay, so the little boy in green pants was the one that was slammed into the door.
Yes.
The little girl was pushed up the stairs.
Yeah, and I saw her. I think I saw her hitting the baby.
The one that's in the stroller.
Oh no,
She was grabbing her. She was like, "Shut up! Shut up! I'm trying to do something right now. Shut up!"
that's coming from a kid. Oh yeah, she's cooked.
Okay. She said she saw her hitting the baby. Like, shut up! She said, "Shut up! You were." And so, and I'm doing something right now. So up.
Okay. All right. All right. So what we'll do is we'll consider you guys still anonymous, but since you're standing here and I don't want to draw attention, I was like, oh, I'll park over here and kind of whatever. We're gonna investigate it and see. I haven't been over there to talk to the children yet, so I'll see what we can find out, and if we we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, guys. Have you guys seen this before?
No.
Yes,
I haven't.
yes. I saw this before. Yeah, she does this a lot. She actually does this a lot.
Ooh.
She do a lot of drinks. She do a lot of yelling and cursing.
Okay. All right, you guys. I appreciate all your help. Okay. You guys go have fun and be safe. All right.
Can I call my dad?
Yeah, call him, please.
Can you, like, I don't know. I can't. Call me this morning.
Can I see what kind of
She gotta be on. She gotta be taking some type of medicine or something.
charger it is?
Okay, please, I don't care. Just, like, my daughter said I let her. I can't talk to him. I'm sorry.
Here, you want to have a seat? There you go.
Thank you. I just have to, like, talk to my dad did not play about me. And I play about my
Hey, so I have your phone on the charger right now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie. How are you? You okay? Are you hurt? It's okay. Can you look at me?
Yeah.
Are you scared? Your head hurts? Your head hurts. Okay. So, oh, he does have bruising on his head. This is the one that they said slammed. He's got right here. And he does have a bit of a knot.
So I don't know what y'all doing.
Well, so we need to try to get someone over here to help you.
Tell me the what?
Handle the kids right now, because it seems like you're a little bit out of control right now. You're irate about something.
I want people to leave me alone.
What's his last name?
My last
Yeah,
name.
we're gonna go through the house. Are you gonna be out here with her?
Hey, can you spell that again?
Okay, but you keep eyes on her.
Thank you.
What are you talking about? Come on now. I'm gonna crack. I want to talk to my son.
Yeah, he's in the ambulance right
No,
now.
I want to talk to him.
He's hurt. He's hurt. He has a big bump on himself.
No.
Okay, Morgan, turn your back towards us,
I
please.
say, open these hoes, man.
Hold on, wait. They let her go without no cuffs.
Here, turn your back towards us,
Y'all
please.
tripping. Okay. My dad is not gonna like this.
Morgan, I put your phone on the charger so we can call your dad, okay?
Oh my God,
Is
thank
that
you
good?
so much.
You're welcome.
Oh man.
Because we're friends, right?
I'm not your friend.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not your friend.
Yeah.
Call my daddy.
It's a lost hustle.
Call my daddy. Call my dad.
Morgan,
Call my dad. Call my dad. Let's talk.
This is Bob Baldy here from Southeast. All right, we have Morgan Staten back in our jail.
It's Staten. It's not Staten. It's Staten.
Staten. Sorry.
Correcting somebody while you in jail is crazy fucking work. It's actually diabolical.
Yeah, it is. Oh my God. Y'all got me up. Are my babies okay? Are my babies okay?
They're in the ambulance. You put them in the
No.
ambulance.
I'll put one in the ambulance.
Okay.
You just said that out loud? What the fudge, sicko?
Are you proud of that?
No, you're proud of that.
I'm not proud of
You're
that.
proud of that.
I feel so bad.
My
for those
ambulances
kids.
are amazing. Are you okay? You can't do that to me. I'm amazing, mom. Yeah.
Hell no, you not. I ain't gonna even cap to you on that one. I ain't never in my life did nothing to this sort of my child. I don't think I've ever even whooped my daughter before. I probably just, hey, you better sit your ass down. And she be crying. And that's it. Like you despicable.
You're a lame ass. My daddy loved me. My daddy loved me.
You still love on Down Not Dry?
Shut the f up. No, I don't.
Okay.
You lame ass.
I'm
Shut up. You don't know nothing. Like I said, my daddy don't know nothing. He knows nothing.
I'm sorry, that's not funny, y'all, but this would not scare me.
Cut the shit, okay? This is the nurses.
Okay, go on. Should have been did that.
Andrea, so I have
Calling from the hospital.
I'm here. Morgan Janae Staten calling. I'm here.
Hi, this is Jordan calling from the hospital. I'm just calling to get consent to treat these two beautiful babes that we have here and make sure they're okay.
Are they okay?
They look like it, but I need your consent to start treating them and making sure. Do I have your consent?
Just tell yes.
Yes, they're okay, but I'm just asking you, what are you consenting them with? What's going on?
Right now, I'm just consenting for a doctor need to look at them. We can't do anything without parents' consent, and we want to make sure they're okay. So I need you to tell me yes, so a doctor can just evaluate them and make sure they have nothing on them.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. All I think that needs is he's going through the asthma with him, but do not treat him with
Huh?
anything. I don't trust nobody. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. Don't treat. But as far as Nubia, just give her some little do. I'm going to see my baby
What the hell is do?
in like less than 12. Yeah, less than 12 hours soon.
All right, thank you.
They're just being annoying.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are we good, Adria?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, then thank you.
Everybody come out on me.
Morgan, you and I are
I
friends.
said, what's going? No, I'm not your
Yeah,
friend,
you
my
are.
homie.
Yes, you are.
I'm not your
Yes,
friend.
it's too late.
You
It's
are
fine.
delusional. You're
No,
delusional.
we're
I'm not your
Says the delusional one is crazy.
friend, my. I'm not your friend, my.
It's too late.
I'm never gonna ever be your friend.
Yes.
I said like I said. I said like I said. When it comes to my kids, don't you ever in your life, like I said. You're not gonna shit to me. I'm just not scared of nothing.
Morgan.
Yeah, let me know what's going on. Like I
Morgan, we
said.
are still friends, okay? So don't
you
talk
talking
like that.
about?
That's not nice.
She's like the nicest, but kind of trying to be mean bipolar person I've ever came across. Like real shit.
Fine. No. No, you are a classy lady. Don't say
I
stuff
am
like
very
that.
classy.
Yes, you are,
But
and I
don't you
agree.
ever play with me like
No
I
one's
said.
playing with you.
Don't you ever play.
We are all friends here, Morgan.
This is part of the process. It's gotta go this way.
I'm sorry. Can I call my kids to the mind?
There's a fool over here.
Can I
There's a
call my
phone.
kids to the mind? Can I please call my
This got to be like the arrest from hell, bro.
Yeah, there's a telephone
I
in
don't
here.
want to talk to my kids. I'm like,
Following the arrest, the woman was charged with 2 counts of endangering children and 1 count of disorderly conduct. The children were placed into the care of County Children's Services. She ultimately pled guilty to an amended count of endangering children, a first-degree misdemeanor, and to disorderly conduct due to intoxication. She was sentenced to 180 days in jail, with 176 suspended, meaning she served 4 days, along with 1 year of active probation, and was ordered to complete an alcohol assessment. She was terminated from probation in September 2025, and all 3 cases are now closed.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. As it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.